Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize the solids folder in your project panel. And if you're like I was, and probably many other After Effects users, you've probably always noticed the solids folder and never paid any attention to it. Well, today I'm going to explain what the solids folder is, how it works, and I'm also going to show you how you can rename the solids folder. I will also show you how to assign any folder as the solids folder and how to change the After Effects preferences so you can change the folder name to anything you like. First thing is first. What exactly is the solids folder that is always in your After Effects projects and you have never paid any attention to it? Well, every time you create a new solid, a new null object, or a new adjustment layer, After Effects automatically puts them in the solids folder. So the solids folder is created the first time that you create either a solid, a null object, or an adjustment layer. And then every time you create a new one of those, it will automatically get added into that folder. Let's test this in action. I'm going to delete the solids folder. Then I'm going to go up to the layer menu, layer new. You see here it's all grayed out. The reason is that I have the project panel selected. If you select either the composition window or select the layers panel, then you can get this menu. So I'll go to layer, new. Let's create a new adjustment layer. And you see After Effects created that solids folder containing the adjustment layer. I'm going to delete that. You can also access that layer new menu if you right click or control click anywhere in the comp window or down in the layers panel. So let's go to new, null object. The solids folder was created containing the null object. I'll delete that, layer, new, solid. And there's also a must know keyboard shortcut, Command Y, to create new solids. Once the solids folder is created, every time I go and create a new solid, a new null object, or a new adjustment layer, After Effects automatically puts it inside of this solids folder. To rename the solids folder, select it, hit enter or return, give it a name. You're going to get this dialog box. If you choose no, use solid, After Effects is just going to ignore this and create a new solids folder like it did originally. If you want to rename it, you're going to choose this option, yes, use my solids. So whenever you create a new solid, null object, or adjustment layer, After Effects will place it in that new My Solids folder. And if you want to assign any other folder as the default solids folder, all you have to do is just right click or control click on it and just click on solids folder. This is a bug, you're going to see that check mark, but click it anyways. Now if you right click and create a solid, null, or adjustment, it's going to automatically go into that new folder. And if you want to go back into this other folder, right click, you'll see it's checked, but click it again. Now if you create another new one, let's create a null, that's going to go into this solids folder and ignore this one. To change the name of the default solids folder to any name that you want, just go up to the top menu, click on After Effects, Preferences, New Project. The default is currently solids. If I change it to my solids, click OK, go ahead and quit and reopen After Effects, and the next time you create a new solid, adjustment layer, or a null object, it's going to be whatever name that you have in the preferences. And if you change your mind, you can always just go back into the preferences, new project, and just enter in solids again. Click OK, quit After Effects, reopen, and you'll be good to go. And that is the solids folder in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.